Apple is getting ready for a busy year. With new MacBooks and the iPhone 17 expected to be unveiled around March 4, attention is already shifting to what comes next. And now, fresh details about the iPhone 18 Pro lineup have started to surface. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple is currently testing a brand new color option for the iPhone 18 Pro models. The big highlight, a deep red finish. This red shade is said to be positioned as the flagship color for the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. Every year, Apple usually introduces one standout color that becomes the face of the new Pro lineup. In the past, we have seen bold and unique finishes that help define each generation. This time, it looks like deep red could take that spotlight. The report suggests that this red color will not replace existing options, but instead join the lineup as an additional choice. Gurman also notes that Apple may keep the popular cosmic orange color that fans have responded well to. So instead of removing a favorite, Apple could expand the range and give Pro buyers more premium-looking options. A deep red iPhone 18 Pro would definitely stand out. Apple's Pro models usually come in more serious, muted tones compared to the regular iPhones. We often see shades of gray, silver, blue, or natural titanium-like finishes. A rich red could bring a bold yet classy feel, especially if it has a darker, more refined tone instead of a bright or playful one. This move also makes sense from a marketing point of view. Color plays a huge role in smartphone sales. Many buyers choose a device not just for its features, but also for how it looks and feels in the hand. A fresh, eye-catching color can make the new model feel exciting, even if the design changes are subtle. While the iPhone 18 Pro series may get a bold new red option, the story is very different for Apple's first foldable iPhone. The iPhone Fold is expected to launch alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max in September. This will mark Apple's long-awaited entry into the foldable smartphone space. But if you were hoping for bright, fun colors on this device, you might be disappointed. According to the same report, Apple is avoiding fun colorways for the iPhone Fold. Instead, the foldable model is tipped to arrive in more classic finishes, dark gray or black, and white or silver. This suggests that Apple is taking a very serious and premium approach with its first foldable device. Rather than experimenting with bold colors, the company appears to be focusing on elegance and simplicity. Dark gray or black gives a professional, high-end look. White or silver keeps things clean and minimal. There could be a few reasons behind this strategy. First, the iPhone Fold is expected to be an expensive product. Early foldable phones usually sit at the very top of the price range. By offering neutral, sophisticated colors, Apple may be targeting professionals and early adopters who prefer a refined look. Second, foldable phones already stand out because of their form factor. The folding design itself is the main attraction. Apple may feel that it does not need flashy colors to draw attention. The hardware design will likely speak for itself. It is also possible that Apple wants to keep the Pro models visually bold while making the Fold feel like a premium, almost business-class device. In other words, red for excitement and personality on the iPhone 18 Pro, and classic tones for seriousness and luxury on the iPhone Fold. With September still months away, these details are based on early testing and reports. Apple could always make adjustments before the final announcement. But if this information is accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro lineup will bring a bold new red flagship color, while the iPhone Fold keeps things simple and elegant. As Apple continues to prepare for its next big launches, color choices may seem like a small detail. But in the world of smartphones, even a new shade can make a big difference.